Okay, hello everyone, how are you doing out there? This is Goodison Gamer once again with another video. This time I bring you Ride Over Moscow. This time on the Apple II actually. This is a classic game, it came out in '84 on the Commodore 64 first, and this conversion came out in '85. So I have reviewed the Commodore 64 version. It was a cool game actually, but it was a tricky one because I didn't know what to do so much, and I still don't know so much what to do, but I should give it a go. So here let's try beginner, of course. So here we are, it's a strategy shooter kind of game, and I play as United States and I'm in war with Soviet Union. So I have to push spacebar here in order to get into my hangar. And I should try to get out all the planes at once this time. So it seems it's a little bit easier here. The gravity is not that apparent here in this version, so it's a little bit easier, but it's not still a little tricky to control the ships. So I play this game with my Xbox One controller in an emulator. There is of course option to play it with keys as well, but I'm not liking that. So let's continue here. It's a little bit of tedious experience, but now we were getting there eventually. And I can of course keep it short, so this video as well, so I don't have to play all ships if I don't want to. It's like first look videos kind of, so let's see if I can get anywhere, and I want my viewers to have a look at this game as well and give their opinions of it. So here we go, let's continue. Yeah, it's much easier in this version to control the ships actually. So just let's keep on doing what I do here. There you go. So by pushing fire button, I opened the hatch in the wall. In the Commodore 64 version I had to push F7 or something, but here I don't have to combine joypad and keyboard. It's always a plus. There you go, no problem at all. There you go, now I have all my planes out, ready to fight Soviet Russia. So here we go, I have to control this little dot up in the sky there. And I need to go to the base east, most east of the four of them there. North of this lake, I have forgot the name of this lake. Is it Ural Lake or Ural Lake? Yeah. Something like that. Yeah, so I don't have to push any button here. It will go into different perspective automatically here. So here we go. It's a kind of different perspective from the Commodore 64 version. That had a different kind of, I don't remember how to say it. But this is a more easy-going perspective for me. Everything is a little bit smaller as well in this version. So by pushing backwards I go up with my plane, and opposite by pushing forward. So I mean the sound effects is not that good, but it's normal for an Apple II I think, because I reviewed some of Apple II games and it sounds like this more. Little bit of Spectrum-esque. The graphics is alright actually, I cannot really complain. Oops. I lost my first plane there, so I have to start all over. That is a little tedious actually. But if I can get to the end of this level, I don't have to start all over if I lose a plane. So I should try to get there. But I don't know how to finish this level actually. I have never done that before. So please comment and I will ask again when I'm getting there, if in case anyone forgets. Yeah, sound effects not that good actually. And it's very slow paced actually, a little bit too slow. Perhaps there is an option to speed it up, I don't know. There is also a question to any viewers if they know if it is possible to increase speed of the game, because this is a little bit... it's very tedious. It just drags on, it's everything is a little bit samey. So I don't know if I will die of boredom before I reach the end of the level. There you go. Come on, can I please reach the end of this level before I turning grey-haired? I don't want to lose a plane now because I don't want to start all over. They keep on attacking me in the back. Yeah, I think I reached the end of the level now. So this is the problem here. I don't really know what to do here. So I will just... Yeah, I died immediately there. It didn't give me a chance actually. Okay, so here I go. I think I shall take out these planes. I cannot go forward here, so I have to just go left and right, up and down. Oops. And if I shoot the main tower there, it don't think it will take any damage actually. So I don't know what to do. There is a clock ticking there, but it's 5 minutes. I don't want to mess around in 5 minutes. Oof. With this. It's... oh my god. So I should try to stay alive here as long as possible, but 5 minutes, no way. Whee! No, it don't take any damage, it doesn't. Whee! Perhaps if I push spacebar something will happen, I don't know. Oops, that was a close one. Whee! Yeah, I should try to push spacebar here. Nothing happens. Can I try to take out? There is some hatch there that is shooting from. Perhaps I can shoot into that hatch. Ay caramba. Yeah, I don't know what to do actually, but we have seen the game here. It's not a bad game actually. It's a cool version, I must say. It's a little... the problem is it's just too slow paced. that makes it a little bit repetitive and boring actually. So if there is an option to speed it up, I would really be happy. Sound effects is nothing to brag about either, but it's alright as well. And the graphics looks okay. So it's a 6 out of 10 for this one for me. So there you go. Thank you for watching everyone. Like always, have a good one. Goodbye.